Morning. Just got the Allegro out of the garage, off to a local body shop to have them assess some work that I want doing on it. Obviously the bonnet, if you've watched the series as we've gone along, you know the state the bonnet's in from when it was painted black and I've stripped the paint off, etc. The two doors on the driver's side that were dented badly before I got the car, that I basically just bodged out to get the car looking okay for the summer. There are also dents and dinks all over, including bits of rust that I filled on the passenger side wing and door. Now, this might sound controversial, but I'm not overly bothered about some of the stuff. I want the car to look its age. I don't want to be scared of using it, and also I don't want to spend stupid money on fixing a car that, you know, isn't worth it. Makes sense to me, but anyway, so we'll see what they say. I don't know how much I can film, so I don't know if this will actually make the light of day. Company local to me that I've met through acquaintances in the car club, I think they're called GE Refinishers. I'll put some details up on the screen in a bit, depending on what I can film, etc, etc, and I'll let you know how we get on. Catch you in a bit. So he's going to price me up these doors and the bonnet. He's in the frame of mind like me that he wants the car to tell a story, and he can blend it good enough. Like he said, every panel's a different colour if you look at it. There's a dent in every panel. He's also going to price up the repair here that I did, that's, you can see along the bottom of the door in an earlier video. As an extra price, if you like, because I patched them up and there's nothing to stop me patching them up again. I don't want to do the whole car, as I've said, so we'll see what we've got. This is his place at the minute. He's doing a Morris Minor, and I don't know what that is there. I'll ask him in a minute. And then he's got the unit next door as well. So this is a MR2 with a Ferrari F430 kit on it, apparently. And then obviously we've got a Morris Minor here. So you think they'll just dolly out or something?
Yes, it's quite straight on the bottom, apart from where it's obviously taken the contact there. These will beat out. We'll pin pull and beat that, no problem at all. This one's quite straight inside.
And then where would you actually paint to? To the top or just to that line, or?
Well, basically there's repairs up here as well.
Yeah.
So if the colour's not too far out, you know, we'll blend into the rest of the car.
Yeah.
Down the, probably into the wing and on the back quarter just to lose it. So it's to look nice and fresh and straight.
Mm-hmm. And then the bonnet will just be a...
The bonnet. Probably take this right back.
Yeah, yeah.
Get rid of all these little rusty bits. Not too bad, it's quite straight.
Yeah, I don't think there's many dents in it.
No, plenty of door. Nothing on the front where there normally is.
I mean, it's quite... I'll pop the bonnet in a minute. It's quite rusty underneath, but you'll have to see what you think. I think the bracing came adrift and looks like someone's tried to silicone it back on or something. I'll show you that. I'll show you that in a minute. Yeah. And then, like I say, you'll price me separately these door and
Yeah.
just to see what we can do there.
Yes. Yeah.
But like I said to you, there's a dent. You know, if you look at the top of the door on that swage line there's a dent in it there. Look,
There is, yeah.
and then there's a dent here.
Yeah.
So it's just how far do you go?
Yeah. Well, we'll look at this. We can cut a piece out here
Yeah.
and insert a new one in there. Possibly look at doing the same on there.
Right.
Blend the colouring down the two doors.
Yeah.
We should be golden.
Right, I hope we can hear this through the wind. It's really windy. Got the car back home now. What we've agreed is there's things that the welding on the front that's been done and patched up. We could work forever on this car to get it straight, and it tells a story, which is kind of what I wanted to do. He's confident that he can straighten these doors and blend it in without using the other doors, and obviously paint the bonnet. The other side, he's going to give me a separate price for that, where the rust is starting to come back through. If you remember, I only bodged that in the spring. I'm quite happy to bodge that again until I get funds to do more on the car. So two prices, price for this side and a price for the bonnet and the doors, which are definitely going to get done. So yeah, once I get the price I shall let you all know on another vlog or something. Right, maybe this will make a video. There was a little bit of footage. I'll add some details on the place. Nice guy, going to get me a price. Very sympathetic in what I want doing, which is good. And he agrees the car needs to look its age, which I kind of like. So yeah, the also good thing, that's wrong, but anyway, I'm not going to re-record this. The other good thing is, on the trip there and back, I've now gone over the 1,000 miles since I've had Agatha. So nice little milestone for me there. Anyway, I'll put some details somewhere, either on the screen or in a link, of the guy who's gonna hopefully do the work for me. And yeah, give him a look on the internet, you never know. It might be what you want. I'll catch you later.